Hello students, I am Surbhi Gupta and today we are discussing class 9th chapter linear equations in two variables. Before starting with the questions, let's introduce to you the basic introduction. So let's start. First of all, before starting, we must know what is a variable. Now, suppose an equation is given to you x plus 3 equals to 9. Now, here x is known as the variable whose value varies, whose value is unknown to you. It can be any variable, it can be x, y, z, a, b, c, any alphabet you can take in the form of a variable. So, the value whose value is unknown is known as a variable, whose value we have to find out. That is known as a variable. Now the next thing we must know is constant. What is a constant? Whose value is fixed, whose value cannot be changed. Here this is value 3. So it will remain 3. We cannot change its value. It is 9. It will remain as 9. We cannot change its value. That means a term whose value is fixed. That is known as a constant. Next thing we must know is equation. Now, what is an equation? An equation is, suppose it is written 2x minus 3 is 10. Now, an equation is something in which the expressions are equated using a equal sign. Here this is an equal sign, so whenever there are two expressions with equal to sign, then this is known as an equation because we are equating something. Here the left hand side should be equal to right hand side. We can find out the value of the variable, and when we put the value of the variable in the equation, then we can find out left hand side is equals to right hand side. So both the expressions which are equated using a equal to sign must be equal to each other when we talk about a equation. Now we are doing the chapter linear equation in two variables. Two variables means there should be two values whose value we have to find out. Suppose I am writing 2x plus 3y equals to 9. So here x and y are the variables. Two different variables are there. General form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and x and y are the variables. A, B, C are the real numbers and x and y are the variables. So this is linear equation in two variables, right? Now, one thing you have to understand that A, B, C, here there should be A, B, C, they must be real numbers. For example, 2, 3, 9. This is your A, coefficient of x, coefficient of y is B, and the constant term is C. Now, let's do some questions of exercise 4.1 of your NCERT. The first question is, the cost of a notebook variables. This is your question. Now, the cost of a notebook is twice cost of a pen. First of all, we don't know the cost of a notebook as well as we don't know the cost of a pen. So we will suppose it. We have to find out a linear equation in two variables. So that means the cost of pen should be in a different variable and the cost of notebook should be in a different variable. Let cost of pen x, rupees x, and cost of notebook rupees 1. Now they are saying cost of notebook is twice cost of pen. Cost of notebook is, that means equal to sign, twice, 2 times cost of pen, So when this variable comes to this side, it becomes, this is your linear equation in two variables. You can write it as minus 2x plus y equals to 0 if you want that x should come in the front position, right? Now, next question is, you have given an equation and from that equation you have to find out the value of a, b, c. Now, suppose the equation is given to you 2x plus 3y is equals to 9.35. Now look carefully. We know the general form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. That means we have to take everything from the equal to sign to left hand side and there we have to kept a 0 on the right hand side. So when we move this to left hand side, it will become, when positive changes its sign to the other side, it becomes negative. Now look carefully. Coefficient of x is a, x is a. That means a is 2. This is the coefficient of x. Whatever is attached with x is the coefficient of x. Okay? Whatever is attached with y is the coefficient of y and that is b. Y के साथ b. So b equals to 3. And what is c? Whatever is there is c. Don't forget to take the sign along with the term. Always, if there is a negative sign, you have to put a negative sign over here. Because this is the general form. This is plus sign here. If there is a negative in the coefficient of b, you have to put a negative over here. Right? Now, suppose another equation is given to you. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Look carefully. The general equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Coefficient of x is a. A is 3. Coefficient of y is b. Here there is no y. So it will be 0. Because there is no y, you will put it 0. C plus 2. Right? So in this way, you will do the questions. Now, one thing you need to understand is, suppose it is given to you, suppose this is an equation in two variables given to you. Always remember y, because it is attached with y. This is known as a variable. It can be a, b, c, anything. And this is your constant. And this is your equal sign, which represents it is a equation. So in this way you can do multiple questions related to these type of equations. If you want to do, you can do multiple questions of linear equations in two variables. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.